What if the universe is not what it seems? What if science and spirituality are not separate, but two sides of the same truth? In this video, you'll discover how meditation, quantum mechanics, and spiritual awakening combine to reveal a reality far more mysterious and connected to your mind than anything you've ever believed. Here at Galaxy of the Soul, we explore the bridge between ancient wisdom and modern science. Today, I'll show you not only what reality really is, but how you can shape it through meditation and why quantum physics agrees with those spiritual teachings. For centuries, mystics and sages have spoken of awakening, a shift in perception where the illusion of separation fades and a deeper truth emerges. Spiritual awakening is more than a state of calm or peace. It is a radical re-seeing of existence. Imagine realizing that what you thought was you is actually part of something vast, interconnected. In this awakening, thoughts lose their grip. You begin to see that your sense of self is just a story, an illusion created by the mind. And this shift has practical impact. Your perception, your presence, your inner calm all begin here. But what if I told you that science too has uncovered this mystery? Quantum physics isn't just formulas or experiments. It reveals that consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping reality. In quantum mechanics, particles do not exist in fixed states until they are observed. This is called the observer effect. Simply put, reality responds to observation. You are not merely watching the universe, you are part of its unfolding. Experiments with electrons show something extraordinary. When observed, their behavior changes. The act of observation matters. Your presence matters. The universe is not a static backdrop. It is interactive, dynamic, and surprisingly responsive to consciousness. Now, you might wonder, that's fascinating in theory, but how does it connect to me? That's where meditation becomes the bridge, because meditation is more than relaxation. It is a tool that aligns your awareness with the fabric of reality itself. Through meditation, the mind becomes still. The sense of I softens and awareness expands. Neuroscience confirms that meditation reshapes the brain, enhancing focus, reducing stress, and stabilizing emotions. Spiritually, meditation reveals the illusion of separation and brings you into direct contact with a deeper, interconnected reality. By simply observing your thoughts without judgment, by focusing on your breath and presence, you start to notice a shift. The boundary between observer and observed begins to blur, and you experience the first glimpse of how consciousness shapes reality. This is the first step toward awakening, a journey both mystical and scientific. And here's a small insight that many overlook. The more consistent your awareness, the more it influences the world around you. Meditation is not passive. It is an active practice of creation, connecting your inner world with the outer universe. The simple act of being fully present can ripple outward, subtly altering your life and perception. Let this idea sink in. The universe is not fixed, and your mind is more powerful than you've been led to believe. In the next moments, we'll explore deeper insights that will reveal exactly how you can apply this awareness to your life, shifting your reality in profound ways.
Now that we've seen how awareness and observation shape reality, let's explore how meditation takes this insight into your everyday life. Meditation stills the mind, allowing the sense of I to soften and awareness to expand. In this state, the boundary between observer and observed begins to dissolve. Neuroscience confirms that consistent meditation changes brain patterns, enhancing focus, emotional stability, and clarity. Spiritually, it reveals the interconnected nature of all things. You begin to see that every thought, every intention subtly interacts with the world around you. Here's a practical approach. Start with just 5 minutes a day of silent awareness. Focus on your breath. Notice your thoughts without judgment. Expand that awareness into simple daily actions while walking, eating, or speaking. Every moment becomes an opportunity to practice presence. As you observe your thoughts instead of being carried by them, you begin to influence your reality. Science hints at it, and mystics have confirmed it for centuries. The observer has creative power. Your consciousness is not passive, it participates in the unfolding of the universe. And here's a deeper insight that will change the way you perceive yourself. Reality is not fixed, it is co-created. Every intention, every moment of mindful awareness, every conscious choice, these are threads in the fabric of existence. When you change your inner world, the outer world begins to shift as well. This is not mere theory. This is a call to awaken, to remember that you are not separate from the universe, that your mind, your attention, and your presence are active forces in the cosmos. By aligning with this truth, you step into a life where awareness and reality meet. Perhaps the greatest discovery is not in distant laboratories or ancient scriptures, but within you. Awakening, presence, and consciousness are not vague promises. They are invitations to experience reality in a way you've never known. If this resonates with you, join us here at Galaxy of the Soul as we continue exploring the mysteries of existence. Like this video to share this awakening. Comment below to reflect on your own experiences, and subscribe to not miss the deeper truths that await. Remember, the universe is waiting for you to awaken, to observe, and to remember who you truly are. Stay aware, stay present, stay awake.